This recording.
Thank you.
But yeah, thank you for that. Because I was gonna start recording closer to 9 because it's gonna be like a 3 hour recording. But I was like, let me get it now because I'm gonna start trading and I'm gonna forget. It's just gonna be a long load up. So what I did, I just marked off the 4 hour swing high that, and you see is literally a divergence. Divergence popped up on a 4 hour. So the fact that it's a 4 hour divergence is a swing high and is right above the current overnight high. Yeah, I'm gonna put a level there. So for people that like to hold trades for a long time, you can put divergence on these higher time frames. And look at that. If you was on a 4 hour and you was trying to hold a trade overnight, that was a great trade. 4 hours later, it got way down here. You know what I'm saying, but I don't hold trade no 4 hours. But if you want to start holding trades longer, you could go to micros. If you put divergence on micros, a 4 hour micro or a 1 hour micro chart, and you see that divergence pop up, take that trade in with one micro and just let it ride. You'll be surprised. You'll come back an hour or so later, you like, yo, that made a lot of money. Because one micro is only 50 cents. You know what I'm saying? You could put the stop loss to like 100 and you're only risking $50. So you'll be able to take a trade and take a good amount of heat before, it starts to bother you at all. But 100 ticks on NQ, you're risking a lot more money. You're $500 versus 50. Ain't nobody trying to risk 500 if you got a smaller account. But I'll risk $50 because if you're right, you could hold that micro trade for a very long time. There's plenty of money in there. And is the music too loud or is it good? Well, I don't see nothing else on here. The levels up top, these levels up here have not been used up yet. So these levels are still good as well. Like there's a little 4 hour gap right here. And there's a 1 hour gap pretty much at the same spot. The market has not been up here yet. So any levels up top are still there. I didn't really change too many levels below because it wasn't really a lot of 4 hour levels below either. So we're gonna go down to the 1 hour. We got some 1 hour levels. Let's look up here. There's a triple threat. There's 4 or more going down, and then we have a green closure. Right, so we're going, and this is the old level right here, the yellow line. So I'm gonna move this one up to here because that is the new triple threat. The open of that one is 713.50. $713.50. This is not a gap. This is not a gap. Does anybody know why this is no longer it was looking to be a good gap, but anybody know why this is no longer a gap? Anybody?
Because it's been touched.
Yep. This one right here. You got A, B, and C does not intersect. Then you got 1, 2. 2 jumped all the way up in there. Just messed up our good old gap bounce that could have happened. So since we have A, B, C, and then 1, 2 jumped in, is no longer good. So that's why that is not a gap. So do not mark that off. And other than that, this one no good. That's from here. And the rest of these levels are from older levels up top, which are all still good. All these levels up here are still good because the market has not been back up there yet. Now, depending on which color this one closes, we have a triple threat forming. It's not locked in yet unless this one closes red. And we still got 41 minutes. We got 41 minutes on this current candle before we determine if this is going to be a triple threat or not. So yeah, that one's not locked in yet. So I'm not going to mark it off yet. Now this yellow line right here, that is still a triple threat. Even though this candle dipped down into it, it's still closed green. So because this still closed green, it don't matter that it dipped down into it because it's still closed green. So it still shows a strong uptrend. So this right here is still a good level as well. And you see what's in between both of these. You have the current overnight low, you have a swing low, and you have a triple threat, all within this little piece of spot right here. So that's going to be a strong level. But there is a lot of news today too. So it was like, we know what the levels are, but there's also some news popping. Let's go to Forex Factory and see if anything changed. So here's Friday. We got news at 8:30. We got some new orange folders at 8:30. We got PMI at 9:45. Right at the open. I mean, it's like as soon as it opened, a couple minutes later, news. And then at 10 o'clock, we have consumer sentiment. So that's all for now. But overnight, it was a whole bunch of stuff going off. So 9:30 open, chill for a little bit. You could probably get 1 or 2 trades in if it's decent. But around 9:40, 9:44, 9:43, 9:44, you want to back up because that PMI could be nasty. The forecast is 51.9, previous is 51.8. So it might not be too crazy if the numbers are about correct. And it says right here, above 50 indicates industry expansion, below indicates contraction. There are 2 versions of this report released about a week apart. Flash and final. The flash release, which the source first reported in May 2012, is the earliest and thus tends to have the most impact. So
dumb question because I didn't hover over, I just listened to you. The overnight high on the daily, was that 25.73150 or 26.73150?
I'll pull it up for you. You said the high?
Yes.
731.50.
25 or
yeah, 25. Yeah, 25. 731. Let me check to see if anybody didn't get the email. All right, looks like everybody got the link.
You don't understand why I'm acting like this. You want me to sit and explain why? Listen, I'm tired.
All right, cool.
Yo, out.
All right, so where were we? Okay, we waiting for that one. We still got 37 minutes on that, so I'm not worried about it right now. All the levels down here should still be good because none of the levels down here have been used up either. So yeah, we're good. That's really the only thing that changed on this chart. For the 4 hours, the overnight high, overnight low, and it was one new level. And also I get rid of any old levels. This is the time where you look at any old levels that already been used and you remove them. All right, then I go back down to the 5 minute. That one is done. and then I go to GC.
Morning, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hello.
And we go to GC and do the same thing. Now, GC, boy, GC ain't been doing nothing but going up, up, and away. You hear me? This bug been, man. It's times like this that I wish I would have just stayed in my trade, but I've been got out. I had a good micro trade. I took one micro in gold and I just let it run till about 4 o'clock, and then I closed it out. I didn't want to do it on my cash account. I'm a chicken when it comes to my cash account, because that's real money. I don't want to put my cash account like that and just hold a trade overnight. But the only way now, there's some prop firms that allow you to hold trades overnight, but with a cash account you can definitely hold trades for days. Even when the market closed, open back up, it'll still hold your position. I'm just too scared to do that with my cash account. Now, prop firm, hey, look, I hold a trade with a prop firm. I forgot which ones allow you to hold it overnight, though, but there are some. High, 71. I mean, 70.1, my bad. 012. The 4 hour. The same levels on the 4 hour are still there. That third one dipped down into it, so that's not a gap. Delete that. Yes, there's really not a lot of levels on the 4 hour because it's so high. Yeah, it looks crazy. Let's go down to the 1 hour on the gold. Okay, we got a nice 1 hour level here. So this one was back here. This 1 hour level was back here, and you see it's been tampered with it and dipped down into that one. So I'm gonna move that one and use it for this level right here. We have 3 going down. We have a green closure. We locked in. So open is 62.3. 62.3. All right, that would have been a nice one, but that didn't happen. So gold is basically going back. It looks like it's going to go back up here. So you got two levels, and that you could take a gold short from. But the way gold been moving, I like for it to pull back down, and I'll jump into a trade at one of these levels down here. I jump into a buy. This gap right here from back here, this gap is still good, even though it dipped into the gap back here. A gap is still good until the market goes through it. But once the market goes through it, then I'll remove the gap. But right now, it's still a gap. And if you like, you could do the 50% Fibonacci on this gap, and you could do the 50% Fibonacci on this gap, and put a line there. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of times what the market does, it'll bounce off the top of a gap, it'll bounce at half the gap, and then it'll bounce again at the bottom of the gap, usually. So those are pretty much 3 trades you can take off of a gap. So yeah, we already marked off everything on the 1 hour also. So it's pretty much holding at the LIS too. It closed above the LIS. It came down, bounced right back off the LIS. A mean bounce too. Look at that. They took off. Yeah, a little divergence popped up here.
Mr. H, I have a question.
Yes.
I'm in my Bullinox account and I was trying to trade live, and the live and the sim is running at the same time. So I had to cancel the order because it was making money at first and then it started losing money. And it's like, I can't push F6 on my computer like everybody else can, but I swear the mouse and everything else was stuck. Do you have any idea what makes it do that, or do I need to update something in the software or what?
So you were stuck in the trade?
Yeah, and
Okay.
the live and the sim was running. This is the second time it happened to me.
Okay. It could be a couple things. Sometimes it's just the platform. Sometimes the platform just freezes up. But you can let me pull it up. I'll pull it up and show you. On here, when you're on your control center, you could go to help and go to download. It's blocked on my VPS, but normally you could go to NinjaTrader and update. It could be an update needed for your NinjaTrader.
Okay.
So you can update your NinjaTrader. That could help. Also, you can go to your computer manager, and go to performance. And if this CPU percentage is really high, like in the 80s and 90s, that can also cause your computer to freeze up and NinjaTrader to start acting crazy.
Okay. Thank you
No
so
problem.
much.
Which indicator is the one that gives you the LIS and the LAH?
The which one?
Which indicator is the one that gives you the lines for the LIH and the LIS?
Oh, the LIS. That's what was the name of it? Hold on, I'll pull it up for you. That is opening price.
Okay, thank you.
It's in Discord.
Okay, thank you.
And these are the settings for it. Now that we have everything marked up, I'm gonna switch the chart over to the chart that has the VWAP on it. The VWAP chart.
Good morning, I make it.
Hey, what's going on?
I've been so busy trying to get ready for this damn trip.
What trip? Where you going?
Southeast Asia.
Oh, that's right.
Philippines and Vietnam for 2 months.
Oh man.
Yeesh.
I got my laptop. I got all my shit all set up. Just trying to finalize everything.
Yeah, I know that's right. Do you have a VPS?
Well, I went to the what you told me, the what is it?
Ninja Mobile?
Yeah. And yeah, so I got it. It's like $71 a month.
Okay.
With your discount.
Okay.
But I don't know how to like install it or set it up. So I put a request into them because I guess they'll do it for you.
I can show you how to do it.
That'd be great.
Yeah.
Do I do it on my original computer or do I do it on a new laptop?
It don't matter. You could do it. What the cool thing about a VPS, you could log onto your VPS from anywhere. You can have a tablet, a laptop, desktop. It's just a remote. So I'll show you real quick.
I think it'd be easier to do it on the desktop and then log in on the.
Well, the thing with a VPS, you could do it anywhere. So all you got to do is every computer has remote desktop, right? So all you do is open up remote, just search remote desktop on any computer, and when that pulls up, when you signed up, they should have gave you your all your information.
Admin and password.
Yep, admin. Yeah, they give you the password and everything, username, and you just set it up on here. So you'll just have to connect to your remote desktop, and when you connect to your remote desktop, it's gonna pull up your VPS.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. It's literally a whole laptop. You know what I'm saying? It has its own internet speed. That's why I told you to get this before you go overseas, because you don't have to worry about how strong the internet is. You just need enough internet to log into your remote desktop. Once you log into your remote desktop, the internet is the speed of the VPS.
Okay.
And the VPS also has a fast processor and everything.
Got it. All right, let me try that.
Yep.
So I'm already set up. So now I just log in basically. Or
yeah, it's already set up. So and they sent you the username and password and all that.
Okay.
And IP address. But if some reason you still need help, we could just do a Zoom when we get off of here. It ain't gonna take long at all.
All right, I appreciate it. I'll let you know.
But yeah, and then you have to download. Well, it should already have NinjaTrader on there. You'll just have to log into your NinjaTrader when you open it up.
Okay.
And we could still do a Zoom, because I'll show you how to download all the stuff from your current NinjaTrader. Download everything. That way you can just upload it to the new NinjaTrader on your VPS instead of having to set it all up.
Yeah, let's do that if you don't mind.
Yeah. We just download and switch it right on over.
All right, cool.
Yeah, because you over there, you're gonna be over there trading, and their internet gonna start having issues. You're gonna be losing money.
Right. I'm not going to be doing it every day, but I do want to jump on with you guys, and because it's going to be night.
I need you to do it every day.
Okay. Every day.
Because you're gonna start skipping days, and one day gonna turn to 2 to 3 days. I mean, it don't have to be long. It just when you're able to sit down and chill, just log in. You know, I know there's gonna be a time difference. That's why you get the VPS, because the VPS is going to be set on Eastern Standard Time, and you don't have to change your computer to Eastern Standard Time.
Okay.
That way, when you log in, you'll see what time it is on the East. You know what I'm saying? And be able to stay focused.
Yeah, right now
on
it's
that.
9:30 p.m. in the Philippines.
Yeah.
8:30 p.m. in Vietnam. So it's 13 hours and 12 hours.
Yeah. So that's fine. Because at night around between 8 to 10, you can still trade like it's New York Open.
Exactly.
That's kind of handy.
Yeah, you be wide awake chilling.
Yeah, the Asian market will be up too.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
You're right there. Because I'm not a morning person, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there you go. That's good time.
Remote.
I'm seeing if GC get down to the LIS.
Let's do desktops and programs.
Sometimes I dream about candles. I'll be dreaming.
Don't wake you up.
Not if I'm in a winning trade. Don't wake me up.
Let me enjoy this win. Yeah, we have news at 8:30. We had news at 8:30. You see, it didn't do anything. It was an orange folder. Orange folders, you still want to be careful, but orange folders normally aren't that bad. But these red folders at 9:45, yeah, you want to watch out for them.
Connect.
All right, 57798 on NQ. It closed above it, and then it almost bounced off of it again. Almost. It stopped right before it. So on here, of course, I'm looking at a short from the central pivot if it comes back up here. Because it already closed below the central pivot. So I was hoping it came back up and then bounced down for me, but it didn't do that. It's actually a nice bounce off the VWAP. It bounced off the VWAP, and then the VWAP was like, we going all the way down. And that's the thing that when you're looking at trades, sometimes you have to take other things into account. Like it would have been great. I was hoping that as soon as that candle closed, I was like, okay, I wanted to either bounce here or come back to here and I could take a short. But it just said, I'm gone, and kept going down. And it says 100% chance of a long right now. That's why I was hoping it touched the EMA of the VWAP because it was 100% chance of a long. But even that stopped ahead of time. So the market just been playing my face all morning so far.
Yeah, like when you don't get in on it, it'll come up and touch that, but when you don't, well, it'll go down. It'll keep going down like you want it to. But if you're in on it, if you get in on it too early, it'll come up back up to that line and knock you out.
Yeah, that's why I was like, y'all, the most important thing is to work on your entry. You know what I'm saying? When to get in, see it bounce a little bit. Wait, like the 3 taps. Wait, let it tap 2 times and then take it on a third. Because that kind of gives you a more understanding of if it's going to go through the level or not. Is waiting for looking at that bounce because it shows you that it's something is stopping it from continuing down.
Yeah. When it goes under or above that line, I like to try to catch it on the way up or on the way down.
Yeah.
If I can, you know.
Yeah, because it's called a sweep. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times it'll sweep a little bit below the level, and then on the way back up, you take the trade on and catch it back up or back down. Let it swing above it a little bit, and then as it comes down at that level, then you put the sell in and continue to short. You know, but your entry is something that it just takes work to work on that entry and get it right.
Yeah, it does.
You know,
I'll take either one if it goes up in shorts, but I really like when they go straight down like that.
Yeah, but see, the thing is, the dangerous part, like this level right here, right? This EMA, right? The reason why I wouldn't have just put a resting order is because the market structure is 3 candles, which is a triple threat normally, but it's 3 candles. That shows you it's a strong movement down. A lot of people would have jumped in as soon as it touched it. They would have jumped in. It would have went down here. They would have got smacked up and lost money. And then on the way up, look where it went. You know what I'm saying? If they would have just chilled and waited for it to come back up to this area, then bought it on the way up.
Yeah, I learned that the hard way.
That's just an entry. You know what I'm saying? Because you're not the only one sitting right here at this VWAP. There's other people sitting there. Newer, unexperienced traders, they just put a resting order. It's like, oh yeah, this is gonna bounce. Yeah, but look at that movement down there. That's a strong move.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So by the time it hit the brakes, it didn't close on the other side.
Now occasionally it will bounce right off of that EMA and go up.
Yeah, but normally when it does that, you'll see a green candle within that 3 or 4 going down.
Okay.
Because like if this one would have closed green, it would have slowed it down a little bit, and then I would have been more interested in taking the initial bounce because it slowed down a little bit. But this 3 going down, like that's a strong move. It's gonna sweep a little. Well, that ain't a sweep. It closed on the other side. But it was a head fake because it's like it closed on the other side, but that's just because it was a trend. Just like if you're a truck driver, you hit your brakes last minute, you're going to go a little bit past your stop point.
Yeah.
And that's what it did. It was such a fast move down. It was like, okay, now we're going back up.
All right.
That was a gem right there.
Yeah.
I know I got a lot of truck drivers in here.
Well, no, just the fact that it's like realizing to look for the green in between.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. To slow down that market structure.
That with your little 3 in a row.
Yep. Yeah, and that's why the 3 in a row is a strong level 3 or more is a strong level on higher time frames because it indicates a start of a trend. So when it's trending down like that, you don't want to catch a falling knife.
My stockbroker used to tell me that 20 years ago. Stop chasing the falling knife or catching a falling knife.
Yep. Yep.
Is it a real true fact that she's getting funky on me? Man, look, listen.
Yeah, but it's moving back up now.
Let's do it.
And I reached out to the people that have the VPS, and they showed me how to put my VPS on 2 of my 4 screens because I'm so used to having multiple charts up. Flipping between charts, I be missing trades. I'm used to having like 2 or 3 chart screens with charts on them. So I'm like, oh, there's a trade, here's a trade. That I be moving fast. So he showed me how to put it on 2 screens, and I'm like, okay, that's better. I haven't done it yet, but that's what I'm gonna do next. Put it on 2 screens. That way I can have 2 charts up here and 2 right here in front of me.
Anybody?
I know how to put it on 4 screens. How do you do 2?
Yeah. He showed me how to do 2. Hold up. I'll send you the email. He sent it in the instructions in the email.
Okay.
Just shoot me a message on Instagram on TikTok or the Discord with your email, so I know who to send it to. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I know who to send it to.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. I was like, ooh, I could put it on 2 instead of 1 screen? Heck yeah. Because I need my other screen so I can stream and, stuff like that. But I was trying to set up my TikTok automations and Instagram automations. That's a lot of work. I want to just pay someone to do it. And for everyone that's an affiliate, you get your own funnel as well. So when people are interested in learning how to trade, you can just send them your link. When they open it up, it'll open up like a website, funnel, and everything. And if they purchase the course, it automatically separates that you sent them that link, and you'll get 20%. I want y'all to start doing just affiliate marketing in general, like Facebook, TikTok affiliate marketing. There's a lot of money in there, especially if you have time. You know what I'm saying? If you have time to learn more about those things, trust me, it's a nice little pocket change. Especially if you only do it here and there.
You see where the link is at?
The link for Facebook and TikTok affiliate, or for my course?
Oh, your course.
Oh, just shoot me the email and I'll add you.
Okay, shoot you my email.
Yeah, and or just give me your name. I'm already on here. Just shoot me the email and I can search and I can pull up all the information.
It's Solomon. It's S Carrington.
Oh, that's what you signed up under?
Yeah, S Carrington at Gmail. Yeah.
Okay. I know sometimes everybody's name be different.
No, I keep it simple.
Okay.
Mr. H, can I ask, what did I do wrong with my post?
What post?
The post of the cake with your Digital Boss Academy on it.
The post with the cake?
Yeah, you know you have TLDs that you never got. So since you said I could be an affiliate marketer, and of course I made a cake. Well, I created with AI. So it was a cake with Digital Boss Academy. And I asked you, I said, what you think about it, Mr. H? Next thing I know, that sucker was gone.
I didn't do nothing.
Oh, wow.
I didn't see the post.
Well, maybe they thought I was doing something I shouldn't have been doing, and they took it down. Then.
Well, you're assigned you for an affiliate on the trade course, not DBA. DBA is different.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, DBA is Digital Boss Academy. That's like a whole bunch of different ways of making money online and stuff like that.
Okay, can we be affiliates for that as well?
Well, yeah, you have to actually purchase Digital Boss Academy to become an affiliate of Digital Boss Academy. Right now, I think it's like 200 something.
Okay.
But Digital Boss Academy has a lot of stuff in it, like medical courier, all types of ways of making money. How to build digital products and ebooks, and yeah, it's crazy. Y'all see that bounce? Y'all see that bounce right there? See how I told you I was waiting for it. Look how it bounced. As soon as it touched it, it bounced right back up. Oh, I didn't even have my volume up. Hold on. That's why y'all didn't know I took a trade. The volume wasn't up.
Where was the sign that you saw for that? Because I mean, I was looking for it to come back down to about 570.
Down here?
Yeah, because you said the bounce. You said it stopped at like 575.
Yeah, that's because it was the trend that trend to the downside market structure pushed it a little farther past the EMA, but then it ultimately went above the EMA and closed. So since it wasn't a big drop, I was like, I'm waiting for it to come back and touch the EMA before I take a trade, because I was waiting right here and it never came all the way down and got me. So I was like, when it comes back down here, I'm gonna take it. And it came back, touched it, and went right back up. And I only made like 200.
I made 148.
Yeah, see, there you go. But the reason why I took it again was because it wasn't a strong move down. It was just, it closed above here. It did pick me up, went back up. So I was like, it's still gonna bounce off of it because nothing closed below it after that.
I got another trade in for it.
How many contracts did you have, Mr. H?
I normally do like 2 contracts on my evals.
Hey, Miss. Good morning. Hey, how you doing, man? I have a question for you, Mr. H.
For sure. What's going on, man?
So I don't want to make up a level or nothing like that. So I got what I think is a daily triple threat, right? Starting on
a daily triple threat on what?
I think
NQ?
so. Yeah, on the 16th, right where that gap is at. The 16th, and I got 3 reds in a row. Is that
these right here?
Go over some. Go to the right. Wait a minute. Hold on. Why is mine a little different than yours?
Are you on micros?
I'm on micros. I am.
You're on micros. That's why.
Yeah. Actually, the 16th. Yeah, go back a little bit. 16th. Is that it right there?
This is the 16th right here.
That is.
Yeah.
That's
when that gap happened.
Why do I have 3 days right there? 3 reds in a row.
Well, it's micros. Micros might have been slightly different. Hold on.
Let me see minutes. Let me see what minutes looks like then, because that's weird. They missing a whole damn day. That's crazy. No. I got 3 on minis too. Yeah, both of them.
Right, yours look like this. 1, 2, 3.
That's what I got. Does that count? I mean, it's the gap
well,
as well.
It already been through it right here.
It's already happened. Okay, so that's my question. I see on last night and also today. I see it. Okay, just making sure. That was cooked. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, I won't have any mix ups. We good. Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
For sure. Now you still got one up here though.
I got that one.
Yeah, it's just this one, like it kind of touched it. I don't know.
It's been tapped like twice.
Like I don't know.
But
that's so far away, man. That's a good distance. So I didn't really mark it off.
You're using both the top of the candle and the wick over there.
With this right here?
Yeah. Because I see that one, then I see the one you have marked above it.
Yeah, this right here. I'm talking about this up here?
Yeah.
That was a swing.
Okay.
It's a swing high. The dotted lines are the ones I put there for swing highs. So is a 4-hour swing high.
Okay.
See, boom, there it is right there.
Gotcha.
And there's a swing high right there. Because those 4-hour and 1-hour swing highs are still strong areas, especially if they line up with anything else. Oh, Did I miss any 1 hour swing highs? No. Okay, so this 4 hour swing high is also a 1 hour swing high. So you have two levels right here. And then you have the overnight high right here and a swing high as well. So yeah, if the market come back up here, win, lose, or draw, I'm taking a short. Win, lose, or draw, we going short up there.
Fair enough.
There's too much going on.
Yeah, I got the same setup essentially. Okay.
Yeah.
That just punched down.
853. Let's see. And nothing here crazy happened to push it down. Is it trying to get to the low? Like, don't change the low. I like this low. Don't come down here yet. we still got like 30 minutes left for the market open. Don't come down here yet. Because it's overnight low and a swing low. Yeah, I'm taking that trade too. Don't come down here yet. Stay up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I want you to come down here after the open because I know it's gonna bounce. But before the open, that means I got to change my overnight low to a different level if it goes below. And then right here, you got a 1 hour level sitting right on another VWAP level too.
Yeah.
So they just both sitting pretty much sitting right next to each other. So if this fails, you got a backup right here.
Another one to catch up.
Yeah, it's not that far. It's not that far away. So if you have a decent sized account, you know what I'm saying, you could wait that one out. Right now, we have an 80% chance of a long. That's why this new candle opened up. It switched to 80% chance of a long, and it's going up. But it closed below it. I was like for a short there, if anything. It's just that market structure, those three candles going down, finally closed, slowed it down a little bit. I'll take a small one right here.
Order filled.
Just do one contract. There we go. Nice little move down. Uh-oh, what made it jump like that? Hold on now, what is that? What are you doing? It's only 8:56, it was no news. I just need about 50 to 100. There we go. I still wanted to get out. I tried to get out, it jumped back up. It's like, nope. Yeah! There we go, thank you. I was trying to get out of there, like, nope, not yet.
Hate that.
Give me my $50.
I hate when they move like that.
Yeah, it's like, bro, you know I was trying to get out, right? You know I was trying to get out that trade.
Did you update to the new update on NinjaTrader?
Yeah, I updated it. Because I know how they are. If you don't update and something go wrong, they be like, oh, well, you didn't update. I'm like, bro, that ain't had nothing to do with my issue. Yeah, so if y'all took that short, it just bounced down a good amount. Hope y'all got y'all money and got out of there. It bounced down. I made 50 on the first one, and then if I would have stayed in, I would have made 100, but I got out at 50.
I mean, Daisy is right now.
it's still 100% chance, 80% chance of a long, but that's still a level. So it got to the level, bounced down, got to the level, bounced down again. It's still gonna go through it, but just not gonna be that easy. You know what I'm saying? You can get a couple bounces off of that first. As you see, it's bouncing down again. Look at that, nice move. You took a little sweep, but look at that. Ooh wee, good money. I hear y'all with them order filled.
Are you back down to 30 days on your chart, or
30 days, as far as loaded?
Yeah, because I'm trying to match your price indicator, but I can never get it. How many
days I have loaded? I only got 20 days loaded.
20 days. Let me try that.
Yeah, because I just go back as far as I need to so I can see something. And 30 days is more than enough room to see back there. Well, 20 days.
Yeah.
Especially on a 5-minute chart.
Yeah. All right, loading.
Hey,
it's
well,
Nacho 50-50. Come on.
Mr.
Say my name?
Yeah, it's Zeke.
Oh, what's up?
Hey, so yesterday I started trading gas, and I want to say like the setup that you have with the indicators, like it works so smooth on gas.
Oh, it does.
Yes, and it's $10 per tick. So
yeah,
like you can get in and out.
It's similar to gold.
Yes, and
Nice.
it moves smooth, and it's like an inverse to NQ also.
Oh, okay. And that's what I'm saying. Like, yeah, definitely try out other stuff because the indicators and the stuff that I teach works on anything that has a candlestick. You just got to understand how that one moves. But as far as the rules go, they apply to all of that stuff.
Yeah, the rules are there, and it's smooth. It doesn't seem like it's a crowded trade. Like I don't think a lot of people are trading this just yet because it's not doing any weird like motions or wicking and stuff.
Yeah, and last night we was playing around with silver micros. Silver micros is $5 per tick with one contract.
Gotcha.
I couldn't find the silver in my list when I looked into the futures
Are you
chart.
on a NinjaTrader?
Yeah.
SIL is micros for silver.
Yeah, I didn't see it last night. I was trying to get on there when you was about to. I was gonna try to catch that R2 move.
Yeah.
I'm like, where's the symbol?
I couldn't find it on mine either, Coach.
But because SL regular silver is like $25 per tick.
Yeah, I ain't messing with that.
I thought Apex doesn't allow you to trade silver.
Yeah. I was trading it last night. I was on SIL, silver micros.
Maybe that's it.
What's the symbol for gas?
I've traded silver. I traded regular silver. I just don't know if it was Apex.
Fair enough.
Yeah, because I got Apex, Bullinox, and Lilu. It bounced again. Ooh wee.
Triple threat just opened up on the hourly. Will.
What did?
Triple threat.
Oh, the one we was waiting to close.
Yeah, I got it. I'm locked in. Let's buy it. See what happens.
Oh yeah, this one right here. That's the one we was waiting on too.
Don't get it. Don't eat.
That's the one we was waiting on.
I'm gonna need you to take a CMOS shot because Mr. H took a shot from me last night, so I'm gonna need you to take a CMOS shot today. Yes,
you gotta take a CMOS shot.
B-Day, girl.
I got a tablet.
I got a tablet. I got a tablet.
I got those. Is that good?
Yeah. So what are anything? Some cranberry juice?
Cranberry.
You know what I'm saying?
A shot is a shot.
We're taking shots like that. Nah, do a big girl shot. Don't do that. Come on.
Yeah, but that was a nice bounce. Remember, this morning I was waiting for that candle to close before we marked off that triple threat. Well, the candle closed, and look at that bounce over there. That little yellow line. That's why you gotta mark your levels. And then for those that didn't see it, that was this morning. This morning, this candle didn't close yet. So I was like, we wait for if this closed red, then I'm gonna lock in this triple threat. This one closed red 2 minutes ago. It closed red 2 minutes ago and it didn't touch the line yet. See that? It didn't touch the line yet, and it closed. So we locked in this triple threat. The very next candle, not even 2 minutes after closure, bounced off of it. Literally perfect trade. Look, look at that. It bounced off of it just a little bit down, and look, shot right back up. That's why y'all got to remember them levels. It wasn't a triple threat yet. We just had to wait for that closure. As soon as it closed, within 2 minutes, it went down there and touched that triple threat and bounced up. I forgot about it. I was like, I forgot all about that level until Andon said something. And I'm still marking it because, you know, it just happened. So that's why I marked it so you guys can see why that bounced back up. Like I'm telling you, the market moves. There's a reason for every time it moves. You just got to find out what that reason was. And sometimes you're not going to know what the reason is. Sometimes the market be moving. You're like, why did it do that? And you can't figure out why. Somebody knew why. We just didn't.
Oh, good morning.
Morning. Well, how you doing? Medina in the building. Yeah, but that was a good trade. That was a good bounce off the VWAP EMA, and then that triple threat finally confirmed itself. And as soon as it confirmed, it bounced off of it. Two good moves within what, 10 minutes? Within 10 minutes, you could have made 100 on the short and 100 on the buy. $200 in 10 minutes. Most people got to work an 8-hour shift to get $200. And now it says 100% chance of a long. I ain't taking no shorts. 100% chance of a long. Look at it. Going to what is it? All right, we going up now. It just wanted to bounce off of this first. It was like, let's get this bounce first and then we'll go up. So that was a nice trade. A bounce off that triple threat and just stayed in the trade for 10 minutes. Look at that. Not even a full 10 minutes. That's a lot of money right there. But everybody understand where that triple threat came from and why it worked, right?
I wasn't here. I missed everything.
Okay, I'll go over it again. Okay, so remember this morning, I said this triple threat right here was not locked in yet until we get a closure of the opposite color, right? And we still have 40 minutes left on that candle. The candle closed right here. Well, it got down to here and then it closed up here. So it didn't touch the triple threat yet. So once this candle closed, you could have marked that triple threat. The very next candle tapped it and shot up.
Oh, okay. I see.
So I didn't have it marked because I was waiting for this to close. Not even 2 minutes after it closed, Andon was like, hey, we're getting down to that triple threat. By the time I looked at it, it had already tapped and bounced off. I was like, dang, that happened fast.
That was a good buy there, huh?
Yeah. Oh, it was a good buy. Because the fact that this couldn't touch that line first. Now, if this would have dipped down and touched the line, it would have no longer been a triple threat because this didn't close red yet. It closed red after it touched it. But because it closed red right before it touched it, the very next candle touched it and bounced up. That's why you got to be quick draw McGraw sometime. Yeah. That 1 minute cost you a couple hundred.
Hey y'all. That being said, I like Star Wars. That's my fee. I like Star Wars. I'm just saying. T-shirts, lightsabers, it's all good. Any of them.
All right. How about Star Trek? Are you Star Trek too?
Nah, I'm all Star Wars, man. I'm a Jedi over here. Star Wars.
Okay. May the Force be with you.
Appreciate it.
Hey, Andon.
No, you didn't, man.
Yes, sir. Talk about Star Wars. I changed colors and everything.
Oh man, that's crazy.
That's cool. I done found my community out here. Y'all trading and y'all like Star Wars. I'm all right with
Oh,
y'all.
look, I'm a Star Wars fanatic. My son got the dual lightsabers.
The Darth Maul, huh? Darth Maul. Okay.
Yeah, we got the Darth Maul.
Yeah. I want the purple. I want the Windu. I want that one. Purple. I want that one.
Yeah, I like this because you can change it purple. You can change the color purple.
Okay. Jedi.
Oh, yeah. That Star Trek. Yeah, I'm all over it.
But did you see that they're doing a series with Darth Maul?
Oh,
yeah,
really?
I seen that too. Yep.
Okay.
I got by all the Star Wars games.
It was me. The series, I can't get it. I can't watch them. I can't get into them. Now the movies I like, but the series I can't get into them. Like the Acolytes, all of them. I can't watch like one episode each. I haven't gotten to them.
Not even the Mandalorian?
You ain't like the Mandalorian?
I love Mandalorian.
Kenobi, all of them.
You ain't like the Mandalorian with Grogu?
Right.
Mandalorian is good.
I'll try again for y'all. Let you know how it goes.
Yeah. Hey, Grogu, he don't even say nothing. He's hilarious.
I'm gonna tell you the best Star Wars series, and it shocked me because I couldn't get into it at first, but it was the cartoon one with the little kid Ezra.
Oh, the cartoon.
And
Yeah,
had the
I
time
haven't watched the
travel.
cartoon ones yet.
That was kind of cool though.
That one was probably the best story of Star Wars ever.
I like the Bad Batch.
Yeah, I did see the Bad Batch though.
I like the Clone Wars like that back in the day. The Clone Wars cartoon. That was chill. That was dope.
Now I watched anything, all the older stuff. I definitely seen all those.
Y'all all right with me?
We're on the wrong.
Right. Y'all like guns. Y'all like Star Wars. Y'all like trading. Y'all all right with me? I think I'm gonna stay in this group.
It's family reunion. Look out.
Yeah, but Andy, you got to watch The Mandalorian.
Hey man, I'll give it a shot, man. I'll try for you, man.
It is the way.
Right.
But let's look at this bounce off that 1 hour though. Look at it, it's still going up. Jeez. What's that from 58 all the way to 83? That's 25 points times 4. 25 points times 4. That's 100 ticks times $5. That's a $500 trade. If you would have bought it down here and got out up here, that's $500 for one contract.
Medical fees paid. Cardinal.
Oh, Lord. And if you would have took that trade with one contract and stayed in it, that's $500. You would have copy traded that about 2-3 accounts. Hey, 1,500 day before 9:30, you are done. And honestly, that's what I use my evals for. I'll take a trade. I like pick one. If I have more than one eval, I'll pick one eval. I'll take a good trade, and I'll say I'm gonna stay in this trade for 5 minutes. And I will literally, no matter what happens, if it doesn't close me out, I will stay. I will try to stay in that trade for 5 minutes and see where it ends up at. And more than likely, if you take good trades, you'll get that eval pass really quick. You'll be like, man, waiting 5 minutes per trade really works. Or just start off at like 1 minute per trade. Take a trade and just I'm gonna stay in this trade no matter what. I'm gonna sit here for at least a minute. You know what I'm saying? And you'll be surprised how far it moves, or how accurate you are with your levels. You know, that's why I take the resting order at night. I'll place a rest. I didn't do one last night because it was so much news happening overnight. But normally I place a resting order and do like one contract, either one mini or one micro, and I'll just wake up to see what happened. You know, and you have the right ATM strategy. Even if you're 50%, you'll still be making money because you have a good ATM strategy set up. With my ATM strategy, it trails it. So even if it doesn't go far into profit, by the time it turns back around, my stop loss had already moved into profit. So I lock in something. Because the other night I took 2 resting orders. One made 150, the other one made 45. Because my stop loss jumped up, locked into profit by the time it turned around. So even though I didn't make a whole lot, I still woke up to over 150 bucks.
Wake up to free money if it ain't but $2. You doing all right?
Yeah, and that's why I want y'all to start doing that, either in simulation or you can do it on an eval in micros, and just look at the chart before you go to bed and say, you know what, I'm gonna place a resting order at this level or this level. And I could show you my ATM strategy that I use for my overnight trades, and just go to bed and wake up and see where it's at. And journal where you placed the order at, why you took the trade, how much it made. You know what I'm saying? Like, journal that stuff. You know, and you'll realize after a month, if you would have did that in a real account, you would have been up X amount of dollars or down a certain amount. You know, I did that for like 3 months on simulation, and I realized in those 3 months, if I would have did it on a regular account, I would have been up like $1,000 just by taking one trade a night while I was asleep. I made like over 1,000 in like 2.5 months. You know, it don't sound like a lot, but 1,000 while you sleep.
Hey, Mr. H.
And it was micros. What's going on?
Oh, so you know how that first trade that just bounced off that level, of that hour level, and it kept going up. If I would have stayed in that trade, like doing this intraday trading, how would I have lost money if I would have stayed in that trade?
Oh, is it? Hold on 1 second.
Like the first bounce that it just took
This one right here?
on NQ?
This bounce right here? Or this bounce?
No, the first one.
The first one, okay.
You see how it bounced off and then it went all the way up. If I would have stayed in that trade, I want to know how would I have lost money on intraday trading?
Because the highest amount it went was 500. And then if you stayed into it until it came back down there, it would show to NinjaTrader, or it would show to Apex that you lost $500. Because you was up 500 and then it came all the way back down 500. So if you would have closed out, got 500 and closed out, you would have locked in that 500. But because it went up to 500 and went back down to 0, it shows as you losing $500.
Okay.
That's why on your evals, more so is like still have a target, get your target, get out. Because if you sit in that trade like, yo, I know it's gonna go higher, it might go higher, but that intraday is like, it's counting per move. Now, end of day, you might be better with end of day if you want to hold trades like that, because end of day don't calculate until the day is over. Then it's like, okay, today you made or lost an X amount of dollars.
Yeah, it's just I got that take profit. I passed the eval, but I haven't traded the intraday yet because I'm really trying to figure it out before I just jump into it. I blew too many accounts to be playing like that.
Yeah, I think now that you passed your take profit, there's no consistency on it either.
Yeah, it's no consistency. I just want to know. It's just they got that until you get past the buffer. They got that intraday trading.
Yeah, so that's why you just set a target until you get past that.
Like some of the bounces, like say if I set a target for like $100, sometimes the bounces don't hit the $100. They hit like $50, and then they turn back around.
Oh well, you just got to work on your entry then. You know what I'm saying? Or just change your target to $50. Get 50.
Yeah,
If you want to make 100 a day, then take 2 trades of 50.
Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do.
You know what I'm saying? Like it's a real account now. You know what I'm saying? It's no longer simulation. So
yeah,
$20 is still money. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you have a job that make $30 an hour, you making $30 per trade. Hey, do
and
4 trades then.
I don't have to pay like the monthly fee, right?
Nope. You ain't got to pay nothing else. So you could chill and take your time.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing. I ain't been jumping into nothing.
Yeah, just take good trades. You see a level, okay, boom, let me get in this trade, or start off with simulation. I mean, not simulation, but micros. Do like 1 or 2 micros, because with micros, it's not about how much money you make. It's just how consistently can you get 20 ticks, 30 ticks, 40 ticks. Like count the ticks in micros, because when you switch over to minis, it's the same ticks. If you know you could take a trade in micros and you can make 40 ticks every trade, once you switch over to minis, that's what 40 ticks is what $200 per trade.
Right,
It's
right,
only
right.
$20 with one micro, but cool. You see over there in micros, you average $20 per trade, with one contract. As soon as you switch over to minis, that's 200 per trade, one contract.
Right.
So just focus on the tick amount.
All right.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
but take your time with that one and get another eval. On the eval, you could, take more riskier trades to get it passed.
Yeah.
But on that PA, take your time.
Yeah, I got too used to being on the eval. I can.
Yep, and that's why a lot of traders fail, because they trade their eval like madmen, and then when they get a PA, they don't know how to adjust to the fact that it's a PA now. So they're still trading it crazy, and they end up blowing it. So you get stuck in that cycle of passing the eval, fell in the PA, passing the eval, fell in the PA, and it's vicious. It gets a vicious cycle.
Yeah, that's what
You cannot trade a PA the same way you traded your eval. Mentally is a different feeling.
Yeah. Never let 500 get away. If you're in there, close it out or trail it.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. But I'm just gonna set it to like take just 50 and just keep taking the 50s. I ain't gonna, because it hits 50 a lot.
I still do that. I still do that because I have so many PAs. I'll literally be like, click 50, 50, 100, 100, 50, 100. Like, you'll see all my stuff be 50 to 100. Now, some of the ones that are like 400 or 500, that's because those are 250K PAs, 300K PAs. Those are the ones that you see that have maybe 1,000 or 400 or 300. But the ones that you see are 50 to 100, those are the newer newer PAs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my new PAs, I'm quick. 50 to 100 and I'm out. Go to the next one.
Yeah, once I get a little decent buffer, then I can start doing.
Yep. Yeah, because I normally trade micros until I get like a $500 buffer. Now, I'm not talking about one micro. I might do like 4, 5 micros. But I'll trade micros until I get like $400 or $500 buffer in that new PA, and then I'll do one mini.
All right. That's what I'm gonna do.
Whatever strategy works best. You know what I'm saying? Because just remember, with micros, you can sit in the trade a little bit longer and really get a feel for your entries and work on your entries, knowing that it's real money. You know what I'm saying? Trading simulation is mentally, it's not real money when you trade simulation. You know what I'm saying? Even though you can still learn a lot from simulation, you're not really learning the mental side of trading when you trade simulation accounts, because whether you try to think of it as a real account or not, mentally darn well that simulation don't mean nothing.
Yeah.
But when you start trading a PA, eval, it feels a little different. Then when you start trading a PA, it's like, okay, now this is real. A bad trade is money that you're not gonna get now.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So you're still working on the mental side of the game. So start with micros and build your way back up to the minis.
Hey, Mr. H, real quick question. When do you think that? When do you go back and redo your average? Like, when do you go and find it? Like, do you do it once
I do it every like 2-3 months. I'll sit down and like take 10 trades over 2-3 days.
Okay, just on whatever, correct? Mm-hmm. Or that same instrument.
Whatever instrument, like especially if you trade something new, a new instrument, you want to check what your average is on that new instrument, because even though my levels and everything work, that instrument moves a little bit different than ES or NQ. You know what I'm saying? They all have their different movements, so you want to test out what your average is on that set. Because my average on gold is completely different than my average on NQ.
Gotcha.
Because gold moves a little bit different. Gold is also $10 instead of $5. So you can either in gold, the ticks on gold is 10 ticks for every point, whereas NQ is 4 ticks for every point. So it's a lot of math. You know, so yeah, every new thing I have a different average on NQ than I have on gold. In ZB, my average is completely different on ZB. ZB, my average was like 8 ticks on ZB. But ZB is $31.50 per tick. So,
but 8 ticks, that's not bad though.
Yeah. You want to know how long it took to get them 8 ticks?
I mean, hey, it beats going to a 9 to 5.
The 8 ticks took like 30 minutes. Like, dang, 30 minutes to get 8 ticks, and in 30 minutes I could have made that same amount of money in NQ. In probably half the time. But I did like ZB. I really did enjoy ZB. But if you trade ES, always have a ZB chart pulled up, even if you just have it small, because ZB and ES go opposite of each other. It's close to the open. It's 9:23. I normally don't mess around with anything within 10 minutes of the open. 5-10 minutes of the open. You can. Not saying you can't, but I normally don't. And GC never got to that VWAP. Because a 5-minute swing high by itself, I mean, we had divergence pop up, but I was waiting for it to get here, and it never got there. I was here on my other screen waiting for it. But NQ been playing around this little EMA all morning. Look at that, bounced right off of it. I wouldn't have took the trade, but it worked. It bounced off of it. And even trades that I don't take, I was still right. Oh, look at that. What is that? See, look at that. See that craziness? It's 9:25. What caused that? You know what I'm saying? Like, what even is that? Why did it bounce like that?
Man, not that pretty bright eyes, man. It's too early.
Yeah, like nothing caused that at all. Like,
I mean the song, bro. Pretty brown eyes.
Oh, Pretty Brown Eyes. He's talking about a song. I want to hear it. I want to pay attention. That song might have did it in the opening, and it shot up.
Listen, man, I'm a band head from HBCU. That was a song in band. That was our song, man.
This thing say 83% chance of a short. What are you doing, sir? Like, it's nothing that we can even see that caused that. I mean, yeah, the EMA, that was a nice bounce, but that wouldn't made that happen. Did Trump say something? Something crazy happened. I gotta check the news.
He woke up and whispered something and everybody heard his dumb ass.
Yeah, did he tweet something?
He did. He was talking about running for another term.
Man, go running.
He said something at 9:25, made the market jump.
Made the market go, yep.
But that would have been a nice surprise. You would have took that buy off the VWAP. Pew.
Hey, Mr. H.
Yep.
Hey, do you have something in your Discord videos that explain tick value?
I have a chart on there. Hold on, let me see. Who taking them orders 3 minutes before open?
On the sim. I just wanted to
Uncle
test
Tom always on the sim when he ain't supposed to be playing. You notice that, Mr. H?
Well, I'd rather do it on the sim than my eval and mess up.
We changed his name from Uncle Tommy to Uncle Sim. Uncle Sim, what you doing over there? Just going 100 contracts deep on my sim. I wouldn't do it on my 300K eval. I swear it's on my sim, Mr. H.
What you over there doing?
If I get in a fight now, I just call him Mr. H. I wish I had took it on my eval. Shit.
Well, write down the reason why it worked. Write down the reason why it worked, and you know what I'm saying. That way, if it happens again, you'd be like, "Well, it worked on this time," and take it on your PA or your.
It worked because he was on his eval, hoping and praying.
Yeah, don't be using wish trades.
Wish you'll be in a wishbone broke.
That's funny, man.
Look at that move.
Yeah, I know. They're like that was a freak accident. We don't even know why that jumped up like that. We don't even know why that happened.
I messed my straight up. I'm doing LAS short.
It drives me crazy when that happens out of nowhere.
Yeah, like that don't even make any sense.
I don't even touch them.
Done with it. I'm done messing around.
They just bringing it back to the LIS for open, right, Uncle Sim?
It's too soon for that, man. Slow down. I want this short like 9:35.
All right, but yeah, as far as building the tick value, okay, so we were market about to open, so y'all shouldn't be trading right at the open anyway. So if you go to building your plan, risk management, and journaling, if you go to that category in the class, attached files says beginner trading starter pack. This starter pack right here, if you scroll down on it, right here has the NASDAQ, MNQ, NQ. And the breakdown is in that section. I gotta find exactly where it's at. But the tick value on NQ is $5 per tick. MNQ is 50 cents.
Open with the M.
Then GC gold is $10 per tick, and it's like, what is that? Like $1 is $1 in micro gold. Look at that. Hold on.
I want that.
This is the open, y'all. Don't jump in no trades on the open.
I want to trade, but not at the open. You see this?
Yeah, I'm looking. I'm like, y'all messing up my levels. That's what NQ doing.
Who got it? Somebody said thank you. Somebody
NQ messing up my levels. It better go ahead somewhere. I do have a 300K account that I need to get done. As long as it don't get to the overnight high, don't mess with the high. I had another account that was close to being passed. I forgot which one it was. Oh, I have a Bullinox account that's 300 from being approved. 200, 300 from being approved. Okay. Oh, Bullinox.
Do you have a Bullinox code right now, Mr. H, or no?
Yeah, it's Mr. H. Mr. H trades 83 because it's only 83% discount right now.
Only 83%?
Ooh, I was waiting at 658.
Order submitted.
I was hoping it got to 658. Yeah, come on, man. It's 932 now, so if you see a good trade, you know what I'm saying, you have opportunity.
And Bills got it. LAS. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, I was waiting for it to get to 58. I was waiting for it to get up here, man. It played me.
It was good.
Oh, you played me. It was close to it too. I should have just jumped in. That's what I should have did.
Get it.
I should have just took it.
Gold just bounced nice.
Oh, gold over there moving and grooving. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. That was a nice bounce off the LIS. I mean, off the VWAP. I put it like this so y'all can see both. I gotta see if we move this. Cause y'all don't care about the chart trader. This way y'all can see both NQ and GC. Look at that. Ooh wee. I was waiting for it to get all the way up to this line and it didn't get up there. Look at that drop. I knew that was gonna drop too. I literally had 3 contracts waiting to take it. We got GC over here and NQ over here. That way y'all can see both of them on the 5-minute chart. $574 looks like a nice little. I'm trying to go back up to that central P also. Remember, there's news at 9:45. Okay.
Let's see you make, Will, right there at what's that? 69? 59?
Say that again.
59. You made 59. What about that for sure? 57, 59.
Oh, 57?
Yeah.
Where that at? What's the number again?
I think it's 557. I can't see, man. 857. I can't see 657. Damn, my eyes messed
on
up.
NQ or GC?
NQ.
Oh, NQ. Okay, on NQ.
Yeah, the EMA.
Oh, the EMA right here.
Yeah.
574.
Something like that. Well, I'm a micro.
Yeah, I would like to take 574. I mean, it didn't drop straight down to it. It is an 80% chance of a short though.
Short. This is short. You talking about? I mean the longest. 5, 8, 7. It's short up there. Well, the drop was there.
Right here? Up here?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said 574. Okay.
I
like the central pivot.
Order filled.
Central pivot. Central P. Oh, get me out. I made my money. Get me out. Oh man, it didn't let me out the trade. Let me out the trade, Bo. Thank you. Go back down. There we go. There we go. Who else got the central P? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Keep going down. Keep on going down. I got one more contract for you. Yeah. I was like, I like that central P though, because central P and the VWAP was sitting right on top of each other. I'm taking that. I'm taking that thing. Give me that. Hope y'all got it. Hope y'all got it.
Yeah, I got a little piece of it.
That was a nice little piece. You just had to stay in the trade a little longer, that's all. Oh, GC trying to get to my level too? Come on up here, GC. I wish you would.
Order submitted.
Made my money in that account. Now I gotta make some money in this account.
NQ look like it's trying to get back down to that 1 hour level down here. And you still got the overnight
There
low.
we go.
Still
There
got
we
the
go.
overnight low.
Well, all right then. Yes, sir.
Order filled.
Come on, keep going down. Keep going down. I'm in a short on GC.
Order filled. Target filled.
You was in the short out the VWAP and the divergence?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah! Oh man, they only gave me $160. God dog it. I need 300 to pass that eval. Now I need 150. I need 150 to pass the eval. I'll pass it. I'll pass it Monday. I ain't taking that again. I'm gonna work on some PAs anyway. The NQ doing a little bouncing act. We got like 5 minutes before the news. Remember earlier I said I was waiting for this trade right here on gold at 49.50 and it finally got it. It played me back here, but it finally got it over here and bounced a nice bounce. All right, we got NQ, we got a nice little bounce right here. We still got 5 minutes before the news, so you be all right. If it happens before the news, it don't look like it when it happened.
Boy, Teddy was jamming, huh?
He sure was.
Perfect song.
Yo, this is Queen Latifah, bringing a song to you about a place you might live.
Order filled.
Place you don't understand, it's called New Jack City.
2026 will be a super cycle for Bitcoin. I'm not sure what that even means. A super cycle.
You know, it may take, we could sit at home and do this a couple hours, make some money. But I have never had a job just freaking stressful.
That's why we only trade for like a good hour, 2 hours. Because
you
be here all day.
6-7 hours of this will kill you.
And that's the good thing about prop firms, because it's not as bad. It's not like you lost 1,000 cash. You know what I'm saying? That's why I baby my cash account. Like I get about $60, $70 a day cash account. That's it. I don't even try to do nothing impressive.
Order filled.
Don't let money change you. For the love of money, look at that.
Whoa.
Look at that. Why did it do that? We don't know. We don't even know why it did that.
That's like a 930 candle.
Yeah, we don't even know why it did that. It just did it. It got to that LIS and said, all right, I can come back down a little bit.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Now I gotta go home and watch New Jack City.
For the love of money. That's what we don't love money, but we enjoy making a living. All right, my ATM strategy on $50. I don't know $50. I need more than 50. 942. It is 942. Y'all don't want to be in that trade.
Back and forth.
GC bouncing off that level again at 490. Bounce off that 490 again. Ooh, that's a strong level.
Had a minor crash right before he hit that line in GC. I was scrambling to get my computer back on so I could get like no, it hit my level.
Let me get to it. Hurry up.
Come on.
We got 2 minutes. Remember, you can't be in a trade a minute before and up to a minute after. So 9:44, you don't want to be in no PA trades. Evals, they don't care about no evals, but you don't want to be in a trade on a red candle. I mean, a red folder. 9:44, do not be in any PA trades.
That level is real strong on GC too.
It is. That mug ain't no joke, boy.
I only got 100 from it.
That LIS is crazy.
Yeah.
On NQ.
Step off that Gantor, New Jack Swing. New Jack City, I mean.
Every time I think of New Jack City, though, it reminds me of that episode of Martin when he had the fake dog. Like that, Martin messed up New Jack City for me because now I laugh every time I see that part.
Tommy broke character, we laughing and shit. He broke character so bad, yo.
He had a fake Rottweiler.
Hey, what's the guy on? Oh, there's the news now, flying.
Look at that. There's the news.
They're tough, man. Look at level.
Yeah, the GC. You talking about the GC level?
LAS on gold.
Oh yeah, LIS.
Yeah.
On gold down here?
No, man, I know.
It's way down there.
NQ.
That's NQ, okay. Yeah, that mug's strong too.
That's the Fibonacci. High and low. That's why. You got that?
Almighty dollar.
Order filled.
Trade news.
Oh, that's an eval.
Oh, I'm gonna have to stay long because God.
I got a 300K eval. I got to get this thing out of my face.
Hey. Don't sell 640 again, man. It'll pay you. 640 will pay you. LIS.
Yeah.
There you go.
Order filled.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna just say I like gold a little bit better. I get I get NQ. NQ moves when it moves fast. But
yeah, gold is sweet.
I like the stability of gold.
Gold trying to push up.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been pushing up. I mean, all month though. I mean, well, all week. All week has been pushing up. Like, especially that big jump back here, boy. That was crazy back here. And that was what, the 22nd? It went up crazy. Then it had a nice little drop on it. So it pulled back to give you a chance to go ahead and get some money, get in there.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Ooh, got that.
Order filled.
2 perfect bounces off that LIS.
Wow. Yeah.
I'll tell you, man, that LIS is no pump at
Hey,
all.
I should
Because you got to think, you got an LIS, you have a swing high right here. You have a 5-minute swing high, you have an LIS, and then you have the VWAP sitting right there is just as like a backup. It's like, yeah. That's what I mean by you got to look at like what's going on in that area. And you got too much going on here, and you got divergence popping up right in that same zone. So this little area is just a monster right now. And it's not going to get too much further down here because look at this. Look at all this stuff going on down here. You got a 1 hour. You got a swing low right here. Then you got the overnight low. So that's why it's just a narrow range right now. It's just narrow ranging between these two spots. So like, even though you got some good levels in between here, if you would have just sold it here and bought it down here, sold it here, bought it down here, you could have took 2 good buys up here, 2 good shorts, 2 maybe 3 good shorts up here. You have enough money to be chilling.
Can I talk through something just to make sure I'm understanding?
Mm-hmm.
So, like on gold, it went through that EMA and it's pushing, but if it's going to close above it, so that's going to become support. I don't really see the next candle going below it. It might dip, but it looks like it's gonna, like, the trend is going up, but because there might be a little bit of a slowdown in the middle, that can indicate that it's going up even higher towards that 1 hour.
Yeah,
and even towards the overnight.
Yeah, so if it closes, if this closes, which 18 seconds, if it closes and it can't get all the way up here on the next candle, it normally pulls back to about right around here. It'll pull back to get some strength to push higher. So that's why I like taking retracements, because when it closes above a level that's been rejected all morning, it bounces up from there. You look.
Yeah, and there it's pulling back.
It's pulling back. And, you know, it's normally a little zone. But yeah, take a trade from here because it's trying to get up there. Gold is always trying to go up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. For the most part. With NQ, a lot of times they try to pull NQ down because they don't want it to go high too fast. Because those are companies. Yeah. Those are a bunch of companies. Gold is a precious metal. So they precious metal just need to go up. We don't care about going down.
That makes sense. It's pulling back hard too.
Yeah. And I don't even have an account to use. Damn it. Look at that, boop. There you go.
Yep.
And I couldn't get to an account fast enough. I was like, dang, come on, let me get that bounce. Man, they just left me, chump. But yeah, but you see, that's just how the market works. That's how the market thinks.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, we're trying to get up there. All right, let's come back down a little bit, get some strength, and then we'll push up higher.
Whew. Yeah. Yep.
And yeah, that was the bounce there.
I got a few ticks still before it hits the line.
Oh, you didn't take it?
Well, it didn't touch it. Not on my chart.
But that 0.1. you talking about that 0.1?
Let me get it. It is. Hey, talk to me nice. I got that one. Talk to me nice. Feeling it.
Order submitted.
See, on times like that, right? That's when I put a resting order and I just hover over it. You know what I'm saying? So if it doesn't get all the way down to where I want, I'll just drop it down. You know what I'm saying? And catch it.
Order canceled.
Because that little 0.1, that ain't nothing. You should have took that.
Okay.
I mean, I know sometimes you wanted to pick you up at the bus stop, but we already knew, well, not knew, but I already said it's going to pull back to that line because you got to think it's been a strong resistance all morning. It's not going to just come back down and go straight through it like it didn't exist. You know what I'm saying? So I was really confident that, hey, it's going to bounce off here because it's trying to go up. It's just divergence keep, diverting our plans, but But yeah,
I'm gonna need to practice
right there,
that some more.
I would have jumped in on that one quick and took that up.
All right, that's good. That's good.
I just couldn't switch to an account fast enough. That's another problem with having a lot of accounts. But yeah, if it stopped like 4 or 5 ticks away from you, I'm like, okay, 4 or 5 ticks on gold, that's 40, 50 bucks. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to jump in early on that, but 1 tick is like $10. Like $10 ain't gonna make or break your account. But once again, that's what we're practiced for. We practice to work on our entry into trades. But it's just with the market structure and understanding what happened before that, you see that it barely could break above that level. And the fact that it finally closed above it, what was once resistance is now support, almost 90% of the time.
What's wild, while you were talking, the wick traced straight to the line.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I stare at these charts way too much. I was like, I can almost tell you exactly how it's going to play out. And everybody will get to that point. When you look at these charts every day, you'll start seeing patterns and know how it works. So when I say focus on $50 to $100 per trade, you're gonna be able to do way more than that. Very, you know what I'm saying, within a couple months of doing this daily. That's why I don't like y'all taking breaks. I don't like y'all taking days and days off and weeks off because it throws you off.
I swear, bro, I went through that, and that account that I won from you in that raffle, I blew that account. And I blew it, like no joke, and I blew it immediately after taking some days off. It was this past Martin Luther King, the whole, and I got into that, and I wasn't seeing the charts the same. I wasn't seeing the charts the same, man.
Yeah, I'm telling you, you take 2-3 days off. It's like, man, okay, what the market did the past, because knowing what it did the past few days of trading give you a better idea what it's going to do the next day.
Hell yeah. Yep.
Like you guys, my family. If I'm in South Carolina, my laptop is there. I'm like,
yep.
I'm on vacation. Well, when we went to Puerto Rico, I still went live with y'all. I was like, shoot, Puerto Rico.
So I try to make it happen. I try to make it happen now, no matter what I'm doing. Look at them charts.
Yeah.
Even if you're not trading.
Exactly. Even if you're not trading, just the fact that you came over here, you came and looked at what's going on, what's popping. Where can I make some money? What the market doing today?
Submitted.
And if for some reason I can't get to my computer, I will be watching someone's live. I will watch someone live trading just because I'm TikTok. I got a couple of people that I follow, and I'll just watch them live trade.
Order filled.
You know what I'm saying? It's just
gotcha, bitch.
Trading is just not one of them things that you could just get in there here and there and chill, every few days. Like, no, you got to be laser focused.
Must have got in there.
Yeah, I can't even trade in the morning, but I still watch.
Yeah, at least be there. Look at this. Ooh, Lord, what are you doing? It's news at 10 o'clock also, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we got revised consumer sentiment at 10. Look at that divergence. Divergence was like, get down. Divergence like, what is you doing up here? Get. I love divergence.
Finally got that price predictor. He still honored the discount over Christmas.
Oh, nice.
Seeing it.
He has 20% off. So I think I got it for $199.
Yep. Yeah. So that's my discount plus the 20.
I am done for the week. Perfect day.
Nice.
Woo!
Yes, sir.
And I said the same thing, bro.
Micros, I'm done.
I'm not touching his mouse no more.
Order submitted.
Outstanding.
On the snow. I got generator. Bring on the snow.
No, don't say that. Hold on.
Target filled.
No, sir. Do not bring on the snow. He was
Don't want it here
playing.
in North Carolina. We don't want it. We don't need
We don't want it.
Yeah, send it back. We don't want it.
Hey, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
Order canceled.
Hey, it didn't pick me up at that central pivot.
But yo, listen,
jive
man.
turkey.
Hey, on that the EMA with I took a short on, I got 115 ticks on micros, bro. Two micros.
Hey, that's what I'm saying. Micros is fun because you can just sit in that trade. You ain't got to be in a rush to get out too early,
bro. I want to press it. I'm chilling. I'm done. I want to press it. I'm done.
Yeah, get your money and chill.
I need 2 more trades and I'm done.
I'm not saying that. I'm out. Well, then
he done.
That's a cool 76 here.
Oh yeah.
Come on down.
Just take your time. It is no rush. If you miss a trade, trust me, it'll come back. You'll get another opportunity.
Yeah, that NQ round was nasty. It got me about 90 ticks for the day. I'm out.
Nice. I told you, I need y'all to get the payouts because phase 2 need to happen by 2028. Phase 2 is us investing in land banks and stuff like that. And in order to do that, I need y'all to get to that payout, consistent payouts. So
I have my house sold by that time.
$200K ain't bothering you none.
Can't wait for that.
If I don't have it, I got a son that's rich.
Come on down.
But yeah, that's why I want you guys to set. If you don't have it set up yet, set up your LLCs. Because once you start making money in the market, it's easier to switch it over to a S corp or a C corp. And once you switch your trading business over to a S corp or a C corp, you can get business loans by just using your tax ID. They don't care nothing about your personal credit because your business now shows that you've been making money trading the stock market for X amount of months and how much you made. You can get a loan based off of all that.
Say that one more time, Will.
Once you start set up your LLC now, once you start getting payouts trading, you can then switch that over to an S corp or a C corp, and you can now start getting business loans based off of the money you make trading under a business. And you don't need your social, you just tax ID.
Okay.
What happened to my divergence? Jesus Christ.
Order target.
It's gonna bounce at a level. Because look, you still gotta look at the market structure. You got three green candles moving strong.
Yep.
Same thing with GC. Divergence actually pushed it down and created almost 3 candles moving down. But see, you see how it finally bounced at a level, that VWAP. Now it goes down.
Got it.
So when I see divergence, I like to wait. If it's close to a level, and I see divergence, I like to wait for it to get to that level before I use it.
All right, I got my little cash for the morning.
Hey, outstanding.
I'm actually in the green on all my evals. I like
yes. That good money.
Yes, indeed. Gentlemen, everyone have a great weekend.
You too, bro.
For sure.
If you're in
All
that
right,
area with all this bad weather, be safe, stay off the roads.
Yeah, I already did my food shopping, so if it is bad weather, we got plenty of food.
They had the lines at these grocery stores here in St. Louis wrapped around. I mean, it was all the way to the meat section. I say, man, but luckily it was me and my wife, so I stood in line. As soon as we came in, I stood in line. She went shopping.
And she was shopping.
Yeah, hell yeah. Work smarter, not harder.
Teamwork made the dream work.
I'm telling you.
Nah, I get it for St. Louis because the storms last
a lot longer.
Yeah. Well, we in the Midwest, so like that stuff was worse. And then like St. Louis got messed up by them tornadoes. And people prepare.
But in Carolina, it lasts 2 days, if that.
Yeah, if that might be a day.
But it was no bread in the store. I was like, people.
Hey, listen, Will, where I'm from, bro, they are selling toast in Walmart out here. It's toast.
Out here in Oklahoma, it was funny because last night me and my wife went to the store and all the milk was sold out. So we got this franchise place out here called Brahms, and Brahms had everything. They had bacon, they had bread, they had carrots. You know, I don't drink milk, so they had plenty
Yeah.
of milk there. So it's just funny to me.
It's funny, like they buy all the bread and milk. Like, what are y'all doing? Eating bread cereal or something? Like,
Apparently, the
why do y'all need
survivalist-
all the milk and bread?
They gotta,
See,
you
but I
gotta
asked
make
them
French
too.
toast so you can survive the snowpocalypse. French toast gets you through the snow.
If the electric go out, that milk gonna go
He said
sour.
it's
Yeah,
Exactly. That's why I was getting ready to
You had to
say.
sit the,
Here's my-
you had to
here's
sit
my
the
thing, y'all.
milk in the snow.
Here's my thing. PJ said, peanut butter sandwich is what it is.
But
They don't-
I always thought it was funny during COVID. The store was full of vegetables and fruits. I'm like,
you need that to be well.
like, you need the vitamin C. Y'all buying all the toilet paper. Every vegetable is sitting there chilling.
With no chips, no snacks.
People in the masses, when you look at how people act in the masses, you're like, what are y'all thinking of? Like, oh, COVID, let me buy all the toilet paper. What?
Man, it's because the news told them in the 80s, y'all better buy all that stuff. And
I
people
guess
just
so.
wouldn't let it go. Like, if you right now, like y'all got generators, y'all got like sellers with like, you know, food sellers, vegetable sellers. That stuff will keep your food fresh.
Yeah. You buy 6 loaves of bread. That bread gonna go bad in like 2 weeks, a week or 2 weeks. You got so much bread.
And you're not going to be without power for that long either.
Yeah.
That shit don't make no
Order
sense.
submitted.
You're gonna be without power for maybe a couple hours if you
Yo,
you're in
are
the
you
city.
looking at this NQ?
Yeah, you acting stupid right now, boy.
Bro,
Oh,
I think I'm gonna get West Indian, veggie soup for the snow, and I'm good. Come on.
Yeah, man, make some soups.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, one big pot will last you
Yeah.
like 3 or 4
Man.
days.
Yes,
Exactly.
My
My wife loves to make homemade soup.
Yep. Yep.
Soup, chickpea soup, everything is.
And it'll keep it in the freezer. Or
Shit, I was going to. I gotta wait and see if this thing gonna reach this over.
Yeah, I got deep freezer. And everything.
Full.
Yeah. It
What y'all
better cover
doing,
my
man?
price.
Doing?
That must stop me from getting out of trade. I said, "Oh, you dirty."
Threat.
That mother was playing dirty today. He's like, "Nope, you ain't gonna get this, buddy."
Good old.
I got a lot of errands to do here, so I got to go.
All right, man.
All right, man.
We'll get together before next week's my last week, so I can
Order
get
filled.
all my VPS and all that shit set up with you.
Yeah, just hit me up when you're ready.
All right, sounds good. Thanks.
For sure.
All right, take it
See
easy.
Come on, come get me.
Yeah, man. I think I'm getting out of here too because I'm hovering over this mouse and I don't
Don't do it. Don't do it.
straight up.
Don't do it. Yeah.
Oh, man. I'm hovering
Shut it
over this
down.
mouse.
Shut it down.
I'm shutting it down, man. I'll see y'all later. All right.
Yeah, I'm
go.
pretty much
Easy.
done too. I just
All
got a
right,
couple
man.
more PAs to go ahead and knock out. But yeah, I'm pretty much done for the most part.
Come on, Trip. Let me get
But
that.
yeah, that's it. It's 10 o'clock, guys. We've been here since 8. So I'm about to head out here. And if you guys like being here at 8 better, then I can make adjustments to be here at 8. We could do 8 to 10 because I think 8 to 10 is plenty of time to set up, get money, and be done. And y'all got
Sounds like a plan.
y'all got the rest of the day to chill.
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds
Boy, I
good.
got my money.
Up.
All right, y'all. Take it easy. Y'all
Mr.
stay
H,
warm.
you the man.
Appreciate it. Hey,
Y'all later, bro.
I will see you
No
guys
problem.
later. Enjoy the rest of your day. Try not to overtrade if you got your bread already, okay?
Enjoy y'all's French toast.
All right.
All right, y'all.